I want to give a shout out to all my guys and that I work with currently and that I see on a day-to-day basis. It really helps keep morale high at the company. It's good to have people with that mindset of, snow, rain, cold, really warm. Either way, we're going to come out and get things done.
I really just took what I learned from the people above me. So Logan, Dan, Al, Andy, and any other foreman that's helped me in the past. Really just focusing on the quality of work we do and understanding how this changes people's lives in the future and now. Yeah, the crew I have right now, Braden Lautenbach and Ian Kane. There's some real hard workers. They know exactly what they're doing.
I have PJ, Dylan, Kyle out there. They are a great group of guys. They've been with the company for anywhere from 2 years to 4 years. So really experienced, really knowledgeable.
So David he's been a huge asset to my crew. Gets here literally at 6:30 every single morning. Usually has the truck loaded by the time I come in, so I've been trying to help him out a little more with that. But no, David is such a huge help to my crew. So much stuff I could thank him for. Probably one of the hardest working guys I've ever worked with, honestly. We get to a job site, don't have to tell him what to do. He literally gets here, gets right to work, knows exactly what he needs to do.
With Tyler, dude, amazing, dude. I love it, honestly. I mean, I probably feel like I couldn't have been luckier to get a better foreman. I mean, I'd never tell him that, but I'm beyond lucky. He's taught me everything I know, and honestly, he's progressed me more, I'd say, as a person, even in the field and off the field of the job site. I mean, honestly, he just gives me something to look forward to coming into work, getting to work with my bro. For the most part, I don't even see him as a foreman really more as like a really good friend. We're just super close, and it's just been a blessing, honestly.